Ants around the house can be a problem, but we have the perfect solution. The Deadfast bait station can be used inside the home as well as outdoors around buildings and is proven to be effective against all types of ants. Once the infestation is located, snap off the top of the bait station and push the capsule to release the gel. Place the bait station close to an area that ants use for access. Now it'll start attracting all feeding ants. Our bait station contains a unique active ingredient called indoxacarb, which is only toxic to ants. Once the gel is ingested, it gives time for the ants to go back to their nest and share it with the entire colony. Only then will the ant's digestive system transform the active ingredient into poison, killing the entire colony. That's why our bait station is completely safe to use around children and pets, and why it's the best choice to kill ants and protect your home. For more advice, visit gardenhealth.com.